Welcome to Lesson 1, the characteristics of a cell. Essential question, what are living things made of? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the components of the scientific theory of cells. Begin on page 5, engage your brain, and do the active reading. Go. Yeah, now let's celebrate. Page 6. What is a cell? Like all living things, you're made up of cells. A cell? What's a cell? Hey, like all living things, you are made up of cells. A cell is the smallest functional and structural unit of all living organisms. An organism is any living thing, and all organisms are made up of cells. Some organisms are made of only one cell. Hey, you and I, we're made of trillions of cells. Robert Crooke was the first person to describe cells. In 1665, he built a microscope to look at tiny objects. One day, he looked at a thin slice of cork from the bark of a cork tree. The cork looked as if it was made of little boxes. Hooke named these boxes cells, which means tiny rooms in Latin. Yeah, now we're going to visualize it. Compare these 3 different cells, bacterial, skin, plant cells. What do they all have in common? Here's some things you might consider. What size are they? Are they microscopic? Can you see them with the naked eye? Is there a cell membrane around them? Are there parts inside of the cell? Write your answer. Woo! Coming up next, scientific math. Turn to page 7. Read Why Are Most Cells Small very carefully to yourself. You might want to read it a couple of times. I'll be back in our next video to work on this together. See you next time. Bye.